As a final project for a business management class, you have prepared a case analysis of a fictional airline. You need to format the report as required by the MLA style guide. You change the line spacing to double-spaced with no paragraph spacing before or after. In addition, you adjust the font to Times New Roman 12 point and left align all document text. You use Word's navigation pane to quickly locate statistical data that needs further clarification. You create a footnote to add the extra detail, keeping the body of the report from becoming overly cluttered with detailed explanation of statistics. A footnote can also be used to cite a source. A footnote is positioned at the end of the page, with the same superscript as that assigned to the in-text reference. A simple way to include a numbered footnote is to select Insert Footnote on the References tab. You can also use the Footnotes dialog box to insert a footnote or endnote. An endnote is positioned at the end of a document, whereas a footnote is at the bottom of a page on which the reference occurs. Here, you insert another footnote, numbered sequentially after the first footnote. Using the Footnotes dialog box, you have options to specify various choices, including numbering and formatting. You can modify the style to include additional or different formatting. You change the footnote style for this document to include a font size of 12. The new format applies to all footnotes in the document. On a blank page at the beginning of the report, you insert a table of contents comprised of headings and page numbers from the report. A table of contents lists headings in the order they appear in the document, along with the page numbers on which the entries begin. The key to enabling Word to create a table of contents is to apply heading styles to headings in the document at appropriate levels. You change the wording of a heading in the report. After updating the table of contents, the new wording is also included there. An index provides an alphabetical listing of topics included in a document, along with related page numbers. You mark the phrase Northeast Airlines for inclusion in an index. By selecting Mark All, you instruct Word to include a page reference to the phrase wherever it occurs in the document. Throughout the report, you use the terms Northeast Airlines and Northeast interchangeably. Because both terms are synonymous with respect to your report, you identify Northeast as a cross-reference to Northeast Airlines. In the index, the term Northeast will direct the reader to Northeast Airlines for the page number information. You identify another term for inclusion in the index. An index is located on one or more pages at the end of a document. You insert a blank page at the end of your report on which to begin the index. You insert an index comprising the 3 terms you marked earlier. A complete index would most likely consist of many more terms, with all terms referenced to pages in the document. A cover page, sometimes called a title page, is the first page of a report if the report includes a cover page. Here, you insert a blank page at the beginning of the document, select Center Align, and identify a font type, size, and color to use for text that you will type on the page. Although Word provides a gallery of cover pages that you can select from and modify, you choose to create a conservative cover page that introduces and sets the tone for the case study. You center the cover page vertically. The research paper is formatted according to MLA Style Guide rules. In addition, you created a bibliography listing sources that support the research paper. You created a cover page, table of contents, and index for the paper you are working with for your business class.